In the previous video, we did a recap of how we will cover the concepts teaching the lesson Alice in Wonderland. Now, let's implement the zero investment innovative idea of words to weave a story to explain the concepts of contractions, opposite words and phonics. Before we begin, we will pre-arrange 16 slips depicting visuals from a scene from Alice in Wonderland and a picture composition of Alice following a rabbit with pink eyes, wearing a red waistcoat, carrying a watch and umbrella. We will inform the students that we will be playing a game of acting using slips to form a story of Alice in Wonderland. After distributing the slips, we will ask them to read their slips and enact the same as per the sequence 1 to 16. We will assist the students by being bilingual if needed. For example, student 1 has slip 1 that reads, "You are Alice and you are lying under a tree." Student 1 might lie down and say, "I am Alice and I am lying under a tree." He or she might do something else too as per his or her understanding. The rest of the class can observe and sum up the act of student 1. For this, we will encourage the students to use short sentences in English to describe the act. Next student will be called with slip 2 that reads, "Alice saw a white rabbit scamper by." Student 2 will then act the situation as per his or her discretion. We will ask other students to sum up the act. As they answer, their critical thinking abilities and communication skills will be honed. We will inform the students that the word scamper has been used instead of running. We will listen to the summary from the students and write on the blackboard. Alice saw a white rabbit scamper while she was lying under a tree. We will continue this process with the students enacting the situations from the slips and us noting the summary on the blackboard as shown in this table. We will ask the students to note these sentences and conclude by telling them to read the story in the book and compare it with the one in their notebooks. When they come to a conclusion that the story in the book and the one in their notebooks are the same, we will provide them with these instructions. Learn the sentences on the slips and enact as per their correct sequence. Lead to a theatrical version of the story so formed. In the next video, we will continue explaining the concepts. See you there.